A lion roared where Sankara stood, a path restored, not for gold, not for fame. Traoré rises, Africa calls his name. Burkina land, brave and bold, through the heat, through the cold, fought with fire, held your ground. Now a new captain wears the crown. Who leads the line? The people's son. What's his name? Ibrahim Traoré. What do we want? Justice and peace. Who brings the fight? The youth unleashed. Rise, land of the upright. Shine, reclaim your light. From Sankara's dream, a flame still glows. In Traoré's heart, the spirit grows. Oh, we rise. Oh, we fight. Burkina Faso, land of the upright. He stood up strong, the youth behind, with fire in voice and peace in mind. He broke the chains, he cleared the smoke. He gave the people back their hope. No more fear, no more shame. Africa rises in his name. Not just a soldier, but a spark, lighting the fire through the dark.